Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, we are going to start a new series called Cypress. So let's start the introduction of Cypress. Cypress is a next generation front-end testing tool built for modern web. It addresses the key pain points for developers and quality analyst engineers who face when testing modern applications. So we can achieve easily a test setup. We can write the test easily, run it effectively, and we can debug it more efficiently. So who can use this Cypress? Developers and quality engineers. So developers can use for unit testing or component testing. QA engineers can use for end-to-end testing, integration testing, continuous integration testing, like different testing. So where we are going to test this Cypress. So we can test modern JavaScript frameworks, whatever the framework is, like Next.js, React, and React Native, whatever it is. We can test only the in the web browser. We cannot test the mobile applications or Windows applications. So, what are the various testing we can do in Cypress? End-to-end testing, component testing, integration testing, and unit testing. Next, we are going to see the ecosystems which are present in Cypress. We have two ecosystems, test runner, dashboard. So test runner which is installed locally in a tester or developer system. It is free and publicly available for everyone. Dashboard is a paid version. We have to pay for that. So we will have certain privilege access in a Cypress. Like we can store all the test results and we can next we are going to see about the features. First, time travel. So each command when hovered over the restored application or component under test to the state it was in when that command executed. This allow you to time travel back to previous state when testing. This means nothing but it will take the screenshot it will take the screenshot of every steps which is executed in the Cypress. So if we hover on the particular text, we will see the what is the state of the application lively. For example, here you can see the mouse is hovered and the test state has been changed and we can see the results. Next, debuggability. Normally in Selenium, we cannot access the developer tools. So we have to guess and we have to check line by line. We have to find the bugs. In this Cypress, we don't have that problem. It will load the developer tools because the Cypress itself running in the browser. So we don't need to spend lot of time on debugging. It will be very easy in Cypress. Next, we are going to see about automatic waiting. Never add wait or sleep to your test. Cypress automatically wait for commands and assertion before moving on. No more asynchronous hell. For example, we are working in jQuery. So we are giving condition to find the DOM elements. It is not finding. It will throw some error. If we in the same situation, if we are going to use Cypress means it will retry again. So this waiting condition will not throw asynchronous hell on us. Next, network traffic control. Easily control, stub and test the edge cases without involving your server. You can stub network traffic however you like. Stub is nothing but we can manually change the request body response status code and every option in the request. This is called stub. We can do in the Cypress itself. So we don't need to call a server or any other things. Next, consistent result. It will not throw different results for every different test. So in Cypress, we can get a consistent result. If it is going to throw one error, means it will throw all the error until unless we are going to change the code. If we are going to make any changes, means at the time only it will change. If the error is resolved, it will not throw the error. Otherwise, it will throw. Next, screenshot and videos. Screenshot and all by default itself Cypress will take for each execution of the command. For videos, we have to manually enable in the configuration, so we can enable videos also. In certain condition, we can also take the screenshot for errors, and we have to it by and Cypress itself clear the screenshot and videos. We can compress the screenshot and videos by configuring the Cypress also. Next, cross browser testing. So if you are going to run a test in a Chrome, you don't need to kill the server and you have to test again in another browser. You can test in multiple browsers. It will automatically trigger the test after changing the browser. In Cypress itself, it will show some options to change the browser. Once the test is done, you can change the browser also. Otherwise, in command line, you can mention you want to perform the test on particular browser. You can also do this. By default, Electron will be added in Cypress, and Chrome other browsers should be installed in our local system. Then only we can test on multiple browsers in Cypress. Next, flake detection. So we can discover and diagnose the unreliable test with Cypress Cloud Flaky Test Management. Flake detection is nothing but if the test is failed, means by default Cypress itself it will retry two times. By default it will try two times. We can change this condition also to retry the test. If the result of two tests will be differ, means it will throw the flaky detection error. We can resolve this flaky detection. Cypress will notify us like we have a flaky detection, and it is enabled by default in Cypress. So guys, I hope you got the valuable lessons in this lesson. Hit the like button, subscribe this YouTube channel so you can get all the valuable videos which we are posting for you. You can get on time. Thank you.